Okay, so we're back recording with a proper camera again. I'm in Dubai, finally got my office set up sorted, and we're making some progress. The video looks better than it probably ever has done before. If you're new to the channel and you've not watched my previous videos, then go and watch them. They're a good laugh because it looks like I'm filming the videos from a prison cell. But like I said, we're making progress, we're moving forward, so I'm excited to shoot this video for you. So let's get into it then. What are the main reasons why your offers aren't working and why people aren't buying your products and services? And what can you do to fix it? So tell me if this sounds familiar. You've read the books, you bought the courses, you've watched the videos, and you've paid a coach to basically come in and tell you that you need to fix your offer. You need a better offer. And if you fix your offer, then this is going to be the key for you making a ton of sales. So what do? You go and fix your offer. You start including quantifiable outcomes with your offer. So stuff like a certain amount of sales appointments in 90 days, a certain amount of revenue generated in for 6 months of working with you, or the amount of fat that your prospect is guaranteed to lose. Whatever it is, you slap it on the offer, and then you wrap it all up with a great guarantee of money back, or you'll continue working with them for free until they do achieve that quantifiable outcome. And even though you followed the offer creation process to an absolute T, you're still not making any fucking money. Well, here's the reason why. So let's just say this is the overall market that you can sell to. These are the entire population of people who could potentially buy from you. So what you've done is you've made your big offer and you've put it into the marketplace. But here's the problem. Because you are going so direct with your offer, you're not even trying to build a relationship with the person. You're not even really trying to sell the person. You're just giving them your offer and letting them decide whether they want to buy from you or not. But guess what? You're speaking to about 3% of the entire population that could potentially buy from you. And this is especially for B2C. If you are selling like weight loss or like a non-business related outcome, then those types of offers or businesses, that requires a lot of trust to be built up between the person selling the product and also the consumer. So if you're just going straight in there with a big offer saying, hey, we'll get you this result, then you're not actually building a relationship and you're not building a trust. It's not the exact same for B2B, but again, if you are going into B2B and your entire marketing and sales strategy is let me make the biggest offer possible and back it up with a guarantee, then you aren't going to win over the long term, especially. Because here's the problem, right? Number one, you are missing out on 97% of the other people in the marketplace who could potentially buy from you, but they're just not ready to buy yet. And by you going straight in with your offer, you're just going to turn those people completely off. But that's not even the big issue, right? Let's just say this 3% of the market is the people you want to go after. And you can, right? But here's the thing, you're not going to close 100% of that 3% of people, right? Not everyone is going to buy from you who could buy from you. And here's the other problem. Because offer creation has become such a big buzzword in the marketing industry over the last year or so, everyone else is promoting and marketing the same fucking offers. So 30 sales appointments in the first 90 days will get you to 30K a month in your business within the first 6 months or your money back. Whatever it is, right? You've got all these copycats copying all the same offers. So everyone is competing on the same offers and everyone's competing for the same 3% of the audience who is kind of like ready to buy the deal. So you're all going after the same types of people. And eventually, people are scrolling on the newsfeed and they see so many coaches with the exact same offer of, clients, revenue, sales, appointments, weight loss, whatever it is. They just tune the fuck out and they just start ignoring you. So if you are frustrated that your offer or your ads aren't performing as well as you feel like it should, it is probably this issue. So what you actually want to do, if you want to separate yourself from the competition and you want to make money and you want to make money over the long term, because targeting this 3% with an offer can work, but it's not going to scale over the long term because again, there's 90+% of people in your potential pool of audience that aren't ready to buy yet. They could buy from you and they would, but they just need to go through the right marketing and sales process. So the best marketing campaigns out there, or the best offers even, because an offer isn't just a quantifiable outcome. An offer is basically the message that you put out to the market. And the best offers out there don't just give you an outcome and a guarantee. They actually help people transition from this 97% and they educate them and they build a relationship with them and they build trust with them and transition them from being part of the 97 to the 3%. And then hopefully that 3% will actually grow because you're transferring more people from the 97 to the 3%. So Sabri Suby, shout out Sabri Suby, had this diagram in his book, great book, Sell Like Crazy, you should go and buy it. And he really hits this point home and he uses this diagram and I like it. And so I'm going to use it in this video. So this is, again, what everyone who's making those offers, everyone's going after the 3%. Everyone's just trying to get lazy and shortcut and just be like, you know what? I'm just going to target the people who are ready to buy now. So a majority of the marketers and the business owners out there are targeting this 3% of people. Now, the money to be made is going after the other group of people. And it's about how can you put a marketing campaign in place that transitions someone from being over here, yes, this is a human being, and transitioning them all the way up so they are actually in buyer mode. Now, I don't have the time in this video to start going into all of these different phases of not problem aware, etc., etc. But the whole point is that you are restricting yourself dramatically by just marketing your offer. You need to put marketing and messaging and an advertising campaign in place and a sales funnel and a marketing process and a sales process that goes after more of the market. Because here's the thing, not only is this a bigger pie down here rather than, you know, the small 3%, but there's actually not that many people doing it. You've got a shit ton of people over here regurgitating Hormozi's $100 million offers, going after that small percentage of people. But this is where the millionaires are. This is where the money is to be made because there's not that many people going after it because it's hard. They actually have to put in work. They can't just slap an offer inside of a Facebook ad and let it run and get clients. What it takes to actually market effectively to this type of audience is marketing strategy, copywriting, understanding your audience, building a sales process that allows them to make that transition. But this is the easiest way to separate yourself from the entire marketplace right now, is basically do the opposite of what these guys are doing and start going after these guys, because again, long term is going to allow you to scale much more because there's a bigger pool of audience. But like I mentioned, there's less competition as well. So stop kidding yourself thinking that you are a great business person just because you have a good offer, and learn the art of marketing and copywriting and change up your business's marketing strategy to target more of the market. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then I'd appreciate you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As I'm recording this video, we're only a few away from 1,000 subscribers. So once I hit that milestone, I'll probably stop my agency and just be a full-time YouTuber. Okay, goodbye.